I was actually wrong about the Immutable token. I said it's going to be worth $2.5 and I was correct on that part. So I did say it's going to be going up in the next few days. And that's pretty much fantastic because I did call that the prices are going to be improving. And it's exactly what we saw, what we noted. It did happen. And it's what we wanted to see is now happening. So that's a very good thing right now with Immutable. I did call a price prediction for it at $2.5. And it's reaching $2 now. Maybe when this video is out, it actually reached more prices. So I'm not that afraid of the prices so far, and they don't really concern me. But I do know that crypto is just getting started in that sense. It's just getting started, and we could be seeing a bigger price rally than just this. A bigger, stronger price rally. And that's what I'm excited about. And also, guys, if you didn't know, I'm covering all types of tokens on this channel. And if you want to cover, if you want more tokens and more price predictions like this one, let me know in the comments below, because I do put a lot of effort into these videos. So that's for one. And I do appreciate all the support I get. I really do appreciate it. It's really awesome hearing you guys having so much support on this channel for me. But that being said, I do think we're going to be seeing much more in the next few days with crypto. There's going to be much more potential for sure. And I also do think that Immutable bull run is getting started. I think gaming tokens, they're really a question. But Immutable went just from ahead, not only with crypto tokens, but also different kind of tokens. So that's one type of difference that I'm seeing right now with this. So it seems like they're not going only with NFTs, and NFTs were kind of dying. It does seem like cryptos are slightly really recovering, and I do like to see that. I do like to see the crypto markets basically take a huge recovery. So that being said, we do have more in plan, more in place. If you guys want to be kept up to date really on everything that's going on around crypto, I'll keep you guys updated with more news. But Immutable right now does have a new partnership as well. They have G7DAO confirms Immutable is leading the ecosystem. So that's one partnership, for example. That's one big partnership that I like to see. But the other ones right now are basically crypto going up in a very different perspective. So I know a lot of people don't realize this, but crypto is just getting started. It's really just getting started. So they have this leading L2 ecosystem for games building on Ethereum. Immutable is supporting all the best teams and studios building Web3 games, and they just released this in December, and this is why Immutable is growing. It's not doing just NFTs, but it's doing like a huge partnership for video games. I think that's a huge update that Immutable basically posted, that a lot of people did not realize the potential. So that being said, I do think crypto has way more chances of actually performing well with NFT games this bull run than last bull run. So that's one thing that I'm pretty much excited about. But that being said, who knows what could happen? There could be a ton of like different scenarios, but it seems like Immutable took the big market, and Alex Becker is actually predicting that the NFT games will return, will make a comeback. People are saying price will correct soon, bearish, but it does seem like that this is actually bullish. Like they're working on these projects that we have been waiting for quite a while, and in a good way. Immutable is supporting all the best teams. It's supporting all these Web3 games, and while it will reach higher gaming market, Immutable is one of those by content creators called a good project. Like it's a blockchain for video games, and video games are actually the future. So that's all you have to know right now. But I do think there's a lot of potential profit still to be made with Immutable. Again, not financial advice, but I do think that right now what we're seeing with this project is just the beginning, because video games, they're the future, and they took a huge beating with the Solana crash. So everyone took a beating with the Solana crash, and everyone was disappointed. But right now we're in better levels, in better times. It's exactly what we wanted to see with crypto projects like that, and I think a lot of more people are happy with this project, so they might, develop more and help more. Until next time, peace, everyone. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. I said it. Do not be afraid of this small price crash, because I sure am not. Be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. What are you doing? Why are you afraid of such a small dip? Are you going to be looking at the bigger picture? Are you going to be selling everything now because crypto went down 5% in a single day after it rallied 85% this year? No, it's a normal market correction, and it doesn't have me worried. 5% down basically means what? Like, look at this monthly chart. Someone just dumped 43K to 41K, and everybody is being paranoid. And to me, it's so simple. And we saw the same price here, 2021. Same thing here. Look at these, the same candles in January. And this even proves further to me that the next Bitcoin bull run is happening. And it's a very good indicator, actually. I do like this indicator because we have been seeing this for quite a while. We have been expecting this for quite a while, and we were wanting to see this quite a while ago. And that's the big difference about it. I definitely do think there's a lot of potential for crypto to see stronger gains in the near future. And there's a huge chance that crypto in the following days is actually going to be seeing some sort of another bull run per se. And that's what I'm excited for, really. We do need more bull runs just like that. And it's a marathon, not a sprint. Bitcoin can't just immediately reach 62,000 because someone is going to sell at this price level. And that's completely normal. Why will they sell? Well, maybe they were holding it for 30 years. Maybe they require an operation to basically get out there to have some sort of security. Maybe they're buying a house for their daughter. You never know why crypto prices are crashing. Maybe the government had to sell tons of Bitcoin as soon as the prices reached that. Maybe someone was liquidated. And there's really so many scenarios of why crypto is rising, and people are, afraid of crypto rising. I welcome it. I welcome all of that. And I'm pretty much excited because this is exactly what we wanted to see in crypto. We wanted to see basically crypto rising like that. And now that people are afraid of the crypto rising, why? Why are you afraid? It's completely normal to see a 6% drop, to see a small drop like that. That's completely fine and normal. And I'm definitely certain that this is just the beginning. Even Ethereum, look at this, 6% down. This means this is a huge whale selling everything, It's a very clear indicator that a huge whale, look at this, 1 billion. So for me, it does look like in these scenarios that only a whale can actually have a scenario like this. So in reality, it's rare to see something like that, happen without cryptos overall, and that's the big difference about it. I do think crypto is gonna improve in the following days more for sure, and I'm not too embarrassed about it. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. This is one of the biggest gainers so far in crypto. It's called Injective. Now, I want to see why exactly it's growing fast. Welcome back to this channel. And on this channel, we basically look at why cryptos are growing in an aspect. We're not just looking, oh, crypto is growing, cool. We're also looking at what exactly is going on with crypto in a sense. So if you want more content like this, smash that like button as well, because I do have a lot of updates coming shortly, basically. But Injective is one token that has been basically reaching its all-time high, which is absolutely incredible. It saw absolutely incredible gains, and it's very admirable. It's very admirable to see that. But what exactly it is, and I never heard of it before. I never heard of it. I just saw the top gainer, and on this channel, smash that like button if you haven't already. We actually do check the tokens that rise the most, and this one has 400 million volume. So there's tons of projects out there. There's tons of opportunities for daily crypto holders. And that's what I'm excited to see really with the projects we have in works. Now, I do think this is just the beginning of this project, especially because I do think there's some institutional investment or some big whale investment going on. These spikes, they aren't looking really that normal, in my opinion. I don't think crypto investments like this just, you know, blow up like this. It's rare. It's rare to happen, and it's not common. And that's the difference I see right now with crypto. Basically, I do think crypto will grow in the near future a bit more, and that's the exciting part about it. Crypto is just getting started, and these awesome projects like Injective. Also, guys, if you want more content like this, smash that like button if you haven't already. Awesome projects like Injective get more hype, get more levels, get all sorts of, you know, interest. And Injective is one of them. So it seems like as Bitcoin Cash Injective investors hunt for fresh prospects, Searing captures the spotlight. So it does seem like it's a project here that a lot of people haven't really notified before. And that's the big difference. Like, people haven't talked much about this project yet. Especially in 2021, it didn't see those price gains yet, really. And that's the difference with me. But here we go. It survived the bear market, and it's actually at 22x. So why is it growing so much? To not be like just repeating myself. People are saying they bought it at $1.8. Engine lift off now. Seems like it has big partnerships, and that's one similarity about it, in my opinion. And that's one cool thing I like to see with this project, that it's so Injective Nexus enables core chain data to be accessible to BigQuery via Google Cloud. So they posted this in December 9th, and I think this is a huge partnership with Google Cloud that actually makes this more people excited. More people are excited just because of this. Like, because of this partnership, people are actually looking forward to it, in my honest opinion. And I think it's a huge factor because of this. So this is a very big factor, the Google Cloud partnership. Injective's official blockchain data integration and availability on Google Cloud. So that's a pretty awesome thing they have right now. And that's the thing I like to see. And if you guys want more content like this, smash that like button, by the way. And Injective, yeah, it saw a 20x gain, and it's probably going to see more gains in the near future. If you guys want to be kept up to date, let me know in the comments below.